Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't gave you guys an update. It's been a while since I gave you a video. I told you guys in the comments that I'm going to do a cantilever setup. I'll show you. This is what I did. This setup right here. I'm trying to hide this the shocks on here. I installed the motor a while back. I put a motor mounts here, there. Also I installed a fan. I wanted to hide the shocks to give them more sleek, and also I have my chromoly tubing for it. I'm still waiting for the hub assembly for it. I installed the back. I'm putting back brakes here. I had to do some notches and do a little bit of modifications. And also I'm waiting for sprockets to be here Thursday. Also I'm going to add more brace that go connecting to the motor to give it more stability, more stability, structure, and stuff like that. So, and over this past Memorial weekend, I installed my turbo system right on here. I never seen anybody put a turbo system on a 250, the Chinese motors that they sell on Amazon and eBay. So I installed that. I received my exhaust pipe from Australia, and I modified it. They able to do this bend here, and also I have my downpipe that goes underneath through here. So I don't know where I wanted to hook up my intake for the turbo, and also I'll have a tube that will go across through here, across the fan and up here. But I'm going to chop this off, and I'm going to weld here, and to make the port a little smaller. That's about it for what I'm doing now. Sorry I haven't even showed you the process of it, but I just don't want to ruin this GoPro camera. So I don't know how well these will hold. So this is my first camera, and spent a lot of money to it, and I don't want to ruin it. And this is actually a good camera. So anyway, like and subscribe. Have a good one. I'm going to keep you up to date.